What's up? It's your boy DJ Big Red. Look, you've been wondering how can I put enhancements on a haircut, fibers that is, and make them stay. Some people want to know, what could I do? Or how can I apply these fibers to my clients and make them stay? Because we know that there's so many mishaps that happen when you wear fibers. We do know this, right? There's a lot of mishaps. We just don't want that ugliness. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you the best technique that I know how to make those fibers stay and last. Let's get into it. Thank you guys. Make sure you like, comment, and share and subscribe. Don't cost you a dime to do that, but thank you for watching. What we're going to do is we're going to show you guys what you need. You need the L'Oreal locket, the got to be glued, and hair fibers. Whatever hair fibers you choose, hey, it don't matter. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to call my client out. Then we're going to go no guard, all the way open, set our guideline. He's going to go with a light taper. Light taper is not bald, so you're just gonna go in and give him the same thing you do with a taper. You're gonna go with a guard on, my one guard open, halfway closed. You work out your lines just the same way you do with any haircut. We're gonna go again. We're gonna use a two guard all the way open. Then we're gonna go halfway, and then we're gonna close it. And then we're gonna go back in and start working out with the corners, start detailing. Now the music that you're hearing is, I made this on Sono. Sono is an AI music program that you can use. And if you're musically inclined, you'll like using it. So same thing I did to the first side, gonna do it to the other side. Do unto others that you want others done unto the other side. Well, that's I do it. Okay, so we're gonna go over, do a little bit more detailing. And as you guys can see, I do a lot of talking. So I talk to my client to make sure he's comfortable, make sure he's cool with everything. I ask him how everything is going with him, and he tells me what's going on. I tell him back what's going on with me, and we converse. So again, when it comes down to the cut, we're cutting a shag. This is a haircut that's worn in Dallas. So if you know anyone that's from Dallas, and you'll see a lot of guys take hold to the triple D culture, which is the shag. The shag is a haircut that's cut low up top. We got a 2 on top that we're using right now, knocking all the hairs down. And on the back part, this is what we do. We usually take that 2. Depending how big the shag gets, we flick out with the 2 and we'll calm down. We make sure we calm it all the way out. And then also it gets to a point to where you're gonna have to pick it out, because the hair tends to, you can see he has over curly hair. So you wanna make sure you pick it out, curl it. Well, I wanna say pick out where it's very curly. As you can see, he has wavy hair. He has a good grade of hair. So we're gonna go over with the 2, flicking out a little bit and trying to shape that back part. That back part is gonna be like a little miniature afro. As you can see, he's just starting this. And by him just starting it, we're gonna get him shagged out. The guy's from Arkansas, and he just love the shag. That's how we wear it in Dallas. Okay, you can see I just prepped them with alcohol. So what we want to do is we want to put alcohol around the outside so we can hit them to get like a good crisp line on his edge up. Don't do it. Make sure that it's dry before you start applying your trimmers around the edge up, all right? Because you turn around and cut my guy. So it gives you a little crispiness with it, and then go back over with the shears. Once you lay it down, I try to lay it down with foam, styling foam, motions preferably. Using motions, and we get it to lay down. And also, that's just my technique of getting them waves to busting. You know what I'm talking about? So I get the waves to busting on it as we blow dry and brush and help it lay down. And you're gonna still have some hairs to stick out. So you'll still try to go with your shears and try to trim it up a little bit later. So I'm hitting it with the razor. All right, here we go. We're gonna apply the got-to-be glue to the hairline on both sides all the way around. Now we're gonna go with step 2, applying the hair fibers. We're gonna put those hair fibers using a business card or using some flyer you probably got for some gentleman off the street or lady, no matter who it was, it don't matter, just you got a flyer. You're gonna use it to help with those lines to make them crisp and straight. And then sometimes you have accidents just like I did. Sometimes it'll come out real clumpy. Use a brush, thin it out, get back on track, and go back at it again. All right, gotta show you the things that happen. You know, I can't just show all the perfectness. You know, you gotta show the flaws and all, you know what I mean? So you go in, spray it on there, you know, sometimes it clump up, sometimes it don't. Just go back over with your brush, your handy brush, that's what you got it for. And you thin it out and you make it look just like it faded on in. That's what I did right there. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. Now step 3, we're gonna apply the Lock-It hairspray. This stuff here is gonna hold it. When I say hold it, Paul. It holds it. Not gonna lie to you. You're gonna put it around the whole head. And then blow dry it. And when I say this stuff holds, we talking about super glue hold. We talking about we strong holding baby around here. All right, so this is the finished product of it on my client. It's gonna hold. Now the secret to it is make sure you give your clients a shower cap. Tell them to keep it dry the best they can, as long as they can. It's gonna work out just fine. So I hope you guys take this steps and tutorials and enjoy. Thank you for watching, y'all. Peace.